Is your Amazon Echo Show displaying wrong date and time? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your Echo Show. When Amazon Echo Show is displaying wrong date and time, restart the Echo Show device. So disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Allow it to sit unplugged for about 10 to 15 seconds. Reconnect your Echo Show to the power source and restart it. Often, the simple restart can fix the issue. Method 2. Reset the date and time. If a restart did not fix the issue, then you can reset the date and time manually. Ensure your location is enabled and your device is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now swipe down from the top of your screen. Select Settings. Choose Network and make sure it is connected. Return to Settings. Scroll down to Device Options and select it. Tap on Device Location. Enter your street, city and zip code, then tap Save. If the device doesn't connect automatically, update the date and time. You can set them manually. Go back to Device Options. Scroll down and select Date and Time. Choose your specific region and adjust the date and time accordingly. After selecting the correct time zone, check the time displayed on your Echo Show to ensure it is accurate. Method 3. Update software. You can also try to update software using Alexa and see if this helps fixing the issue. You can simply say, Alexa, check for software updates. Ensure your Bluetooth device also has the latest firmware updates, which may improve compatibility with other devices like your Echo. If this doesn't fix the issue, then move on to the next step. Method 4. Reset the device. If the previous methods didn't work, reset the Amazon Echo Show to its factory defaults. Swipe down from the top of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down to Device Options. Tap on Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm the reset. Follow the setup instructions to set up your Echo Show again. Once you have set up the device, check if the date and time is displayed correctly. Otherwise, you can manually set them as shown previously. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when Amazon Echo Show is displaying wrong date and time. We hope the methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.